Let me show you how to be a good Bayesian and change your predictions after.
And so one thing I do want to point out is the output of our chain of our MCMC object like BART will return many things. It's a list. There's an element for sigma. These are going to be draws of the residual standard deviation. That is, in some sense, the only parameter in the BART model that's identified through the likelihood. So a lot of times when you think about BART, the trees aren't identified. So there's no notion of mixing in tree space that's going to be practically relevant. So what people tend to do when they want to think about mixing is they'll look at the sigma. For every draw of this residual variance or residual standard deviation, you can see, does that do sort of trace plots of that tend to stabilize? If so, your trees have kind of found roughly the same fit.
Let me show you how to be a good Bayesian and change